Okay, just another thought. Corned beef tin can opener, fleshy cutters.
So, what do you think?
I think I could get away with this.
19th century.
Right.
This new look Carrara white marble base. I think it looks fantastic.
James is counting on the manager of his country hotel wedding venue to pay a ransom price for his statue.
I'm not sure if it's going to be big enough.
For me, the thing that's
See if I can find a nice easy padlock to go into.
The ring on the finger.
And a key.
It lends itself to
Where are we?
either a wedding present or a hotel. Like a wedding garden. So
A 2-pin, but I don't think it'll fit in that. We'll see.
I didn't like the base that it was on. So what I've done is I've taken it to a guy who gave me an offer.
Not too broad.
So it's not MDF. No, it's genuine, solid, white Carrara marble. Exactly how they would have used in the 18th and 19th century. Surely when you take the original base off, because these are the full.
Looks like I've made a pick I can't get into anything with.
You have the original as well.
Not too little.
Mark all hit the buffers. We'll find out shortly. Back in the south, John the Hammer is grasping his last chance to claim victory in today's epic contest.
Oh, bit of movement.
Restaurant owner with the hope of selling my Belgian wooden handcart.
There we go.
Hoping that, like me,
Into an old vintage lock. It just goes to show you can make a pick out of anything. Cool. DBC Locksmiths. Another competition. And another time of me making a fool of myself.